Hello, yeah. Welcome to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, the co-founder of Fundal Technology Company. Yeah, so no time to waste. On today's episode, I want to show you how to make 1000 cedis as a student in Ghana. Yeah, so I want to show you the steps from step 1 to step 5. So please make sure to watch all the videos so that you will not miss any step out. Yeah, so no time to waste. Let's start for step 1. Yeah, so step 1 is affiliate marketing. Yeah, affiliate marketing. So I know a lot of people in Ghana don't know anything about affiliate marketing. So I want to do a brief explanation before we continue our content. So affiliate marketing is when you are able to promote or market some products for a company. So let's say you are an affiliate marketer for Amazon or Jumia. So when you visit their site, you go to affiliate marketing and you do affiliate with that company. So when you introduce that company to a lot of customers, so when they purchase from the site, you get a little commission. So let's assume you are an affiliate marketer for Amazon. Yeah, Amazon. So Amazon, they sell products like softwares, teach a lot of things. So when you associate with them, then you promote their brand on your social media. So let's say you have a Facebook account or you're a YouTuber or you have TikTok account. You can do a lot of videos introducing their product to your followers. So when they click on your affiliate link and purchase through your link, you get a commission from it. Yeah. So you can also be an affiliate marketer for 1000cedis. We have Shopify, we have Survey Time. I will leave all their links in my description. So when you click on it, then you sign your affiliate market contract with them. Yeah, and one thing about this affiliate marketing, yeah, they pay you instantly when you do a purchase or when you introduce a customer to their platform to do a purchase. So after the customer purchases their product, then they will give you, let's say, 10% of what the customer spent on their platform. Yeah, and affiliate marketing, when you refer your friends to visit their site, you will get a commission from it too. So let's say you're an affiliate marketer for Amazon or 1000cedis. Me, I'm an affiliate marketer for Amazon and 1000cedis. So when I do videos about these platforms and you click on my link, I will get a little commission. So I'll leave all their links in my description. Yeah. So number 2 on my list is content creation. Yeah, content creation. Yeah, I wish I knew this before completing my university. Yeah, because like in university you can create a lot of content and you can get a lot of followers because you have a lot of friends on campus that can help you grow your channel. And one thing about content creation is it's in the form of video creating, audio, or by writing. So let's assume you have a Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, or a YouTube account. You can start a content creation on these platforms and you can get a lot of money when the month ends. So let's say you're on Facebook. On Facebook, you can do a content about some products. Let's say you are already an affiliate marketer for Amazon. So when you visit their site and you search for a product that you can do a video about, then you click on their link and copy to your comment section. So after doing the videos, and you direct your followers to click on the link on the description or on your comment section. TikTok too, you can start your TikTok journey by creating lots of content. It's not always about joking or something like that. If you are good about tech, about softwares, what you are good at, about cooking or about selling online, you can start TikTok videos doing what you love to do and I know people are ready to spend their bundles to watch what you are doing it. Yeah. So content creation also pays a lot of content creators. Some people receive, let's say, $100, $1,000 within a month. And I know as a small content creator, you start from small, and you grow. So let's grow together. Start creating the content on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. And if you don't know how to monetize your videos on Facebook, I've already done a video about it, and I will leave the link in my description. So please check it out and know how to monetize your videos on Facebook. Yeah. So number 3 on my list is online marketing. Yeah, online marketing. Right now, a lot of youth like us, we don't spend our time watching adverts on TVs. We don't spend our time watching adverts on signboard and things. We always spend our time watching adverts on our phone. Yeah. So online is the best way to do your online marketing. Yeah. So let's say you are into fashion and those kind of stuff, you can start creating your website. And if you don't know how to create a website, you can link me up. I will leave my number in my description. Then we talk about it. Yeah, you can start creating your website and posting all your stuffs over there and do your marketing on your website. So when people visit your website and they want to do purchase, they will contact you. Then it will go smoothly. So you can also create Facebook, Instagram account, then you posting your stuff, what you're selling on there, and you will leave your numbers over there. So when people want to call you, they will call you and you negotiate about your stuff on there. Yeah. So online marketing is one of basic things that can earn you money online as a student in Ghana. Yeah. So if you are good at selling, if you want to sell, if you are selling anything, yeah, you can start selling online and it will go smooth for you. Yeah. So number 4. Yeah, so number 4 on my list is web app and online radio development. So this basic step is for only those who have the passion in software or web developing. Yeah. So if you're an IT student and you know how to develop a software and apps, this video is good for you because creating apps these days in or can earn you a lot of money. So when you create your app and post the app on Google Play Store or Apple Play Store, when people download the app, you get your share from it. And when people use your app, there'll be adverts showing on the app, so you get ads money on it. So if you are good at web developing or app developing or online radio installation, you can start your journey right now. Yeah, because yeah, so recently I contacted my friend in Accra and I wanted to do online installation and he charged me 2,000 Ghana cedi per online installation. You see, for just online installation once. So if you are good at online radio installation, you can start doing it and posting your works on Facebook, Instagram, and I know people will patronize your hard work and you get money from it. So the last step is investing in cryptocurrency. Yeah, investing in cryptocurrency. I know a lot of youth in Ghana now know cryptocurrency because of Bitcoin and USDT. Yeah, so it's best way to invest in Bitcoins. So when a Bitcoin increase or rises, then you sell your Bitcoin and get an interest from it. So you can start creating accounts on Gildes, yeah, Gildes and Binance. Yeah, so when you create your account over there, then you deposit money into your account and start trading in bitcoins or cryptocurrency. And within and one thing about this investing in cryptocurrency is like if I invested let's say $100 in my account and I want to and I buy I've bought, let's say, Bitcoin, and when I sell my Bitcoin and get interest, yeah, instantly I will receive my interest instantly. So let's say if I do this continuously for 1 month, I have a lot of money to save. Yeah, so it's time for you to invest in cryptocurrency, and then I recommend Jordes and Binance for you. So I'll leave their links in my description. So if you want to create your account and start investing in bitcoins, I recommend you to start with Godes. One thing about Godes is if you invested $100, you get 100% interest for any profits you make. Yeah. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm Kenneth Vibes, co-founder of Funnel Technology. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Catch you same time next week. I'm out.